Hi, my name's Chris, and I'm going to give you 4 quick tips that you won't find in the manual for your tire chains. Tip 1. It may seem obvious, but you're going to want to get a nice box for your chains to help keep them organized. Here you can see I have a set of Home Depot utility gloves dedicated to the case. Tip 2. Now this is a big one. Carry small sections of a 2x4 that fits between the chain crosslinks. This will cut the time it takes to install your chains in half, because instead of laying the chains over the tire, drawing over them only to discover you drove too far or not enough to get the chains over the tire, you can lay down your chains, drive onto the 2x4, and install and adjust your tire chains without the tire sitting on one of the crosslinks. Tip 3. Most chains have a hook that must be attached behind the tire. When it's dark and cold, finding that hook can be hard. So I put some brightly colored duct or electrical tape near the hook. The final tip, set a calendar reminder to practice installing your chains at the beginning of every winter. Practicing will let you commit some of those directions to memory, such as making sure the hooks face away from the tire. This can save you many minutes along the side of the road.